lamang. Kaya nga sa Miyerkules, anong sasabihin? For you are dust, and to dust you shall return. Ano gustong sabihin ng pari doon? Mamamatay ka. Yun naman talaga yun eh.
Yeah.
Pero bakit pa tayo nabuhay kung mamamatay din lang? Abay, hindi. Napakamahulugan ng buhay. At ang kahulugan nga nito ay pag-ibig. Loving God and loving others. That's why Lent is truly about love. As life itself is love. Kaya ngayong ating special talk ngayon, naku, akmang-akma sa lahat ng ito. And as a culminating talk for our big day and for our powerful series, with all your strength, loving God with a healthy body, you'll hear from Brother Odi again, this big message, you're not meant to do it alone. And before I call him back, may I personally also campaign for this session at 8 a.m. Sino po dito yung alone ngayon? Alone. Ayun. Ayan. Alone but not lonely. Ayan. Ha? Pero ito po ang challenge ko sa inyo. Next Sunday, pagbalik ninyo, huwag na kayong alone. Ha? Hanap ka na ng jowa. Hindi. Yung sabihin, ha? Magsama ka. A family member, a friend, an office mate, a former classmate. You know, we really need to add numbers. And I want to appeal for a practical reason to the 8 a.m. You know that sustaining this venue, the plenary hall, is very costly. Kaya gusto po nating magpatuloy, lalo itong 8 a.m. dito sa plenary hall. Kaya sana po, dagdagan natin ang ating mga bilang and we implore, we appeal that you give a little more so that we can sustain our operational expenses. And we know we can do this. Bakit? We're not doing it alone. Amen? Amen. Once again, a belated Happy Valentine's Day and a blessed Lenten season ahead. Please welcome back, give the main talk, Brother Odi Villaraza.
Can I invite